Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you encounter Windows Update error 0x800f0922, then watch this video for the solution. Now the first thing we need to check is if our internet connection is stable or working. So for that we'll go to a website like fast.com. You can use any other website, but I prefer fast.com. Now we'll check the internet speed. If the internet speed is about 20 megabytes per second, then you should not have any issue. But if it's below that, then you have a problem with your internet connection and this is causing the error. So you need to contact your internet service provider. Now we'll move on to the next step, which is to enable the .NET framework. So we'll look for features. Okay, turn Windows features on and off. You can also access this box through the control panel. And then we'll look at .NET Framework 3.5, expand this box, make sure both are checked. And then you need to also expand this box and make sure that all of them are checked. And then when you click on OK, if it's not checked, it will install all the required files. And then we will disable the firewall because sometimes the firewall blocks these Windows updates. So go to Windows Defender Firewall and then click on Turn Defender's window file on and off. Select Turn Off on both the private network settings and the public network settings, and then go to Windows Update by right clicking on the Start button, going to Settings, click on Windows Update, and then click on Check for Updates, and you can install the updates and restart the computer. And you should no longer face this update error. But always remember, once the update is done and once the installation is done, then go back to Windows Firewall, click on Turn Windows Defender and turn on both of these options, because if you leave this computer without enabling the Windows Defender Firewall, then it might be infected by some malware which can cause serious issues to the system. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.